Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and use custom school team builder in Dynasty mode in College Football 27. It's actually pretty simple once you know where the option is. First, from the main menu, go over to create and share, then open the download center. From here, you can download all kinds of community content like teams, playbooks and sliders. If you want to find a specific school, press triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox, then search using the team name, state or creator. Once you find the team you want, open it up and you'll be able to preview everything including the uniforms, field design, team ratings, prestige and more. When you are ready, select download. If it's your first time downloading the team, it will save right away. If you have already downloaded it before, you'll get a message saying it will override the existing local version. Just confirm it to continue. After the download finishes, back out to the main menu, go into game modes, then choose Dynasty and start creating a new save. Now when you reach the Dynasty type screen, this is the step you need to pay attention to. Turn the Cloud Dynasty option to on. Team Builder schools can only be imported into a Cloud Dynasty. So if this setting is left off, you won't be able to use your downloaded custom team. Once Cloud Dynasty is enabled, choose your preferred roster option and let the game finish loading. Then select continue. And once you reach the Dynasty setup screen, look for the import team builder option. From there, you will choose which existing school you want to replace. Then select the team builder school you downloaded. Next, you will be asked if you want to use a team builder roster or keep the roster from the original school you are replacing. Pick whichever option you prefer. After that, back out, continue through the setup, and when you check the conference list, you will see your imported team builder school in place of the team you replaced. From there, you can finish setting up your coach, customize the rest of your dynasty, and start playing with your new team. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the import option is, the whole process only takes a couple of minutes. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.